Little Jam's World. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest notification.
Let's learn opposite words. Day, night. Opposite of day is night. Hot, cold. Opposite of hot is cold. Difficult, easy. Opposite of difficult is easy. Near, far. Opposite of near is far. Inside, outside. Opposite of inside is outside. Few, many. Opposite of few is many. Up, down. Opposite of up is down. Top, bottom. Opposite of top is bottom. Dirty, clean. Opposite of dirty is clean. Day, night. Opposite of day is night. Old, young. Opposite of old is young. On, off. Opposite of on is off. Right, wrong. Opposite of right is wrong. Tall, short. Opposite of tall is short. Open, close. Opposite of open is close. Heavy, light. Opposite of heavy is light. Dry, wet. Opposite of dry is wet. Sad, happy. Opposite of sad is happy. Fast, slow.
Thanks for watching. Stay healthy. Bye bye.